What if you have an old roof with solar panels on it and it's time to get a new roof? What in the world do you do? Well, the cost to take each panel down and put it back up right now in Florida is about $250 per panel. The next roof you put on there, if it's shingle, is going to last another 20 years. So does that make sense? Well, let's look at it. If the panels you have on the roof are older than 10 years old, they're probably low wattage, and you want to replace them anyway. In my case, the panels on my roof are about 270 watts per panel, and the system is paid off. Doing the math on that, I figured out that it's cheaper to take the panels down, pay $250 per panel, put the new roof up, and take these panels and put them back up on this roof. Because even though they're lower wattage than the modern solar panels, it still makes sense. They're still going to last another 20 years. They're probably going to outlast the next roof. Now, this also depends on different roof types. If you have a metal roof, you're not going to replace that roof for 40 years. It might make sense to put new solar panels on that roof. The same argument goes for like a barrel tile type of roof. So if you have a shingle roof, your panels aren't that old, it makes more sense to re-roof them. If you do have a roof and you're not sure how old the panels are, you might want to get a solar company out there to look at that and kind of give you an estimate. If it turns out that your solar panels are 10 or 15 years old, that means it's really old technology and it's worth it to just get a brand new system. I hope you find that helpful. Have a blessed day.